If you're captivated by romantic dramas filled with intense emotions, conflicts, and narratives where forced marriages gradually blossom into true love, you're in for a treat. Here's a curated list of 10 remarkable Turkish series that delve into this compelling theme. Number 1. Ken Sayıskleri, Blood Flowers. This series narrates the poignant tale of Dil and Baran, two young individuals compelled into marriage to resolve a long-standing feud between their families. Amidst surrounding hostilities, they embark on a shared journey, uncovering that their initial attraction might deepen into profound passion. However, their bond teeters between genuine love and potential downfall, influenced by choices amidst betrayals, secrets, and the looming specter of revenge. Number 2. Kiralık Aşk, Love for Rent. Follow Defne, a young waitress who accepts an unconventional proposal. She has 6 months to make one of the nation's most successful businessmen fall in love with her. What begins as a straightforward plan becomes complicated as genuine emotions emerge. Starring Elsin Sangu and Baradak, this series offers an engaging blend of romance, comedy, and passion. Number 3. Yalı Kaplan, the Kingfisher. Halis, the patriarch of a jewelry empire, decides that his youngest grandson, Ferit, needs a strategic marriage to mature. Meanwhile, Kazım's family views this union as a chance for social advancement. His daughters, Suna and Seyran, are groomed as potential brides for Ferit. An unexpected encounter between Ferit and Seyran alters everything, igniting an unforeseen love. Number 4. No. 309. Onur must marry to fulfill a condition and inherit his grandfather's fortune. However, a blind date goes awry, leading him to meet the wrong woman. This mishap results in an unexpected marriage filled with twists and turns. Number 5. Tutsak, the Captive. Elif, a young innocent dreamer, is forced to marry a man 30 years her senior by her uncle's decree after her family's tragic demise. Living under her husband's constant threats, her life becomes a prison. But when he disappears, Elif finds herself alone in an unfamiliar world. Everything changes when she meets Bahadra, who introduces her to a new life, brimming with secrets and possibilities. Number 6. Gizli Saklı, Secretly. Naz, a newly graduated police officer, is assigned a covert mission alongside Agent Pamir. They must pose as a married couple to infiltrate the inner circle of a dangerous mafia boss. But can they maintain their facade without becoming emotionally entangled? Number 7. Aşk Alatr, Love Makes You Cry. Ada, who lost her mother at a young age, is taken to another city by her uncle. Raised in harsh conditions, she is forced into an arranged marriage with Mustafa in exchange for a debt. Refusing this fate, she decides to run away. During her escape, she meets Yusuf, and together, they head to Istanbul, seeking a fresh start. Number 8. Kuzey Güney, North-South. This series portrays the story of two brothers with contrasting personalities. Their ordinary life is disrupted when Sema, a new neighbor, enters their world and befriends both. After a life-altering event, Kuzey is compelled to marry Simay, though his heart still belongs to Sema. A powerful drama, exploring loyalty, redemption, and the quest for true love. Number 9. Bir Zamanlar Çukurova, Once Upon a Time in Çukurova. Set in the 1970s, Ilmaz and Zuleyha are forced into marriage due to a revenge plot. What begins as a union fraught with conflicts transforms into a deep and intricate relationship. An epic drama, delving into love, betrayal, and redemption. Number 10. Hayat Aşk, Song of Life. Melek and Kerim, engaged since childhood due to their father's promise, have grown up leading separate lives. As the time for their arranged marriage approaches, unforeseen events and personal aspirations challenge their union. This series explores themes of love, family honor, and the complexities of fulfilling age-old promises. Did you enjoy this curated list? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.